Why, hello there, boys and girls. Welcome back to another video by me. Today we're going to be playing VRChat. We're going to be in this mall. Apparently, this mall is a Garry's Mod mall, which I didn't know any more than you did. I like to explore VRChat malls to see how well people do and see what all they can do and blah, 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 blah. You get the point. Let's go explore this mall. Explore with me and so on and so forth. So, first of all, let me explain a couple things. What you're hearing is the Sims 2 neighborhood music. I knew that as soon as I heard it because I played the living crap out of the Sims 2 when it came out. Just like any of the Sims games, I have played every single major Sims line like Sims 1, 2, 3, 4. And I've even played, Sims Bustin' Out on the GameCube and, actually the GameCube, the Game Boy Advance, and the, DS and 3DS. I've played pretty much most of them. I never did play Sims 2 Pets on the DS. I always wanted to, but I never got a copy. I just was like, what's the point? Which would have been cool because I always wanted to see, like, I always, wondered if The Sims by itself could run on the 3DS to see if it's possible, but, EA ain't gonna do that. But let's go in this mall, see what all there is. Open 24 hours, 7 days a week, even Christmas. Hey, you hungry? Hot food inside. In my area? VRChat Mall. The deals can't get any better. We're sure this time. Are you ready for centaurs? What? Are you ready for centaur? What? I'm very confused. It's the massage cologne. It's the message. Well, okay, I give up. So yeah, as far as I'm aware, you actually can get the buggies. What? I guess I could sit in a buggy and somebody could push me. I never tried that a minute ago when I was just in here. Go away, buggy. So this is what I thought was funny. So let me get to the middle of this first. As you can see, everything around here. You've got a Starbucks on this side, and then over here you have some place called Julie's Coffee Shop. And then that's, you've got, it's pretty, this entire mall is mostly food, I noticed. And I thought it was really funny. So let's go in the Starbucks. Can't run in the mall. It makes me sad. Fire exit. Can I pick up the mug? Damn it. Why doesn't more Starbucks have something like this? This would be so cool. You could push these together and play Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh! Magic, whatever. Just go to them and be like, hey, you want to go to this? Want to go over there? Want to meet over there? Bring your deck and we can play for a little bit while we get Starbucks. Oh wait, no, we can't go up first. My bad. I'm not allowing myself to go up just yet. We have to show everything up. I didn't really look at this, but this is really pretty. Am I in the water? Is a boat. Boat is a boat. Uncle Gary's hand-rolled soft pretzels. Look at this fucking pretzel! Yum! I wish more advertisements said shit like that. Look at this fucking pretzel! Fuck yeah. This is very this is very unsanitational. Unsanitized. Please get your shit together. That mop needs to be in a bucket or hung up. These need to be on a tray. This all needs to be cleaned up. This needs to be straightened up. These rolls all need to be together. You know what? Shut this shit down. Fuck off. I don't care. These all need to be on a tray. I highly doubt this. Look at all this over here. Look at this area. You see this? This right here needs to be all cleaned up. We're shutting this. We're shutting this down until I see fit. I don't want to see. I want to see all this cleaned up. All this needs to be in bags. And is anybody? I highly doubt people are washing their hands. And I bet you nobody's wearing a fucking hairnet. Get on a goddamn hairnet or a hat that can cover up your fucking hair. Christ. What year is this fucking... Is it like 1995 with this fucking shit? Or is it like 1980? Can I see through it? This is empty. This entire thing is a fucking lie. Okay, it's like I was falling or something. So apparently, you can slightly glitch through this and it makes you look like you're falling. And I'm aware that you probably couldn't hear me too well because the microphone is above me. Skee-ball! I like how this entire place is a fucking lie. Okay, apparently I need to get over here to see it. Because I was like borderline hitting my desk a minute ago. You're now chatting with a random stranger. I am from India. Something? India, bro. They just took a screenshot. I was like... So if you gotta pee, come in here. Take a dump if you... This is just... No, I do not agree with this. This needs wall separators. Whoever thinks that this is okay is an absolute idiot. Also, I don't like restrooms that are like this because this doesn't feel private enough. When I need to go use the bathroom at the mall, for somebody who has fucking IBS, I have goddamn IBS, I don't want to be running into the bathroom and it's like, yeah, it's just open, fucking open. You see this shit fucking open. I don't like that feeling. I don't like the feeling. Okay, let's go this way. Since we're exploring everything, we will go into here. Hey, look, it's me. I'm in the women's restroom. What are you gonna do about it? Well, sorry. Not sorry. For a second, I was like, wait a minute, were there toilets over there? Damn it, urinals? I like this tiny mall and it's adorable, but frankly, it feels lacking. I feel like there's definitely more shit going on at a Walmart. So we will go over there, but we're gonna go over here first. No admittance. Authorized personnel only. What are you gonna fucking do about it? You ain't gonna do shit. Look at me. I'm in the back room. You ain't gonna do shit. What's behind here? It's just darkness. This place is a lie. Could I get out of this place? Feel lucky you can't see the tearing that I can see. We're gonna go there last. We're gonna go all the way around. Oh, I didn't even notice that before. Ed, Edd n Eddy. Watch on Cartoon Network. Fun fact, if you didn't know, HBO Max actually re-released Ed, Edd n Eddy on there, and it's in 1080p. My favorite cartoon of all time. Fucking love Ed, Edd n Eddy. This is a goddamn Verizon store. That's what I love about it. And then you see all this. It's the same repeating phones. Oh wow, he literally just, the guy took it and then he just reversed the image to make it look a little different. That's fucking Windows Vista! That is goddamn Windows Vista. You know how I know? You see the circular icon right there down at the bottom? I can't really do it because I'm sitting too close to my desk, but hold on, let me see. Hold on, I gotta put my hands down. Also, I don't have a very long cord right now. I'm actually technically using a USB-C extension cord. Not even kidding, that is a real thing. And the reason I am is because I don't know where my 10-foot cord is in the house, in my room. It's in here somewhere. I saw it earlier. Okay, let me explain something. This isn't a hobby shop like you think. This is an old man hobby shop and those weird kids that like RC cars. Okay, don't get me wrong. I think RC cars are cool. Really? Isn't that a Sonic character? I don't remember. But anyways, these are cool and all, but like realistically, who's it fucking for? Really? This is fart instead of start? Clever. You know the sad part is that is somebody's desktop at some point. Alright, let's go ahead and head back to... Oh wait, did we go into Chip's Classic? Yeah, I must have. Yeah, I did. That's what that was. So this is just like a back office, like a back room or something, where you like get this weird ass looking Garry mod computer bullshit. Monitor. I swear at first, the first time I saw that keyboard, I thought it was a Commodore 64 keyboard. No, it's probably just like an old 90s piece of shit computer. I want to know if it's possible to go up there, but I can't jump up there. I have no way of getting up there. It's like, I think this mall was meant to be something else. Like, there was supposed to be more stuff in here, but you clearly can't get in there. I'm guessing that's downstairs again. Alright, let's go downstairs. Did I miss anything? No, I haven't gone over to Krispy Kreme and all that stuff. We're going to go to Krispy Kreme last because we're going around in a circle. So here is, what was this again? Traveled in Times music. God, this music store is so fucking tiny. If this is all you have to sell, this is the Midnight Riders. Like, come on, this is so fucking pathetic of like a collection. And you don't even have a fucking back room or anything. It's like, oh yeah, what's on the floor is on the floor. It's like, how do you make sales of the day, my guy? VRChat skateboards. These aren't really boards you would ride. These are more boards you would collect. You'd put them on your walls. I'm still in beta. Like this or else. Harvard. If they find it, they'll play with it. They'd have to know what it... Well, no, I guess you wouldn't have to know what it is to play with it. This just seems dangerous to leave out, you know? I guess I haven't been into those two shops yet. We'll go there in a minute. I guess I thought... I'll go in there in a minute. It's me, Mario. Wait, wrong line. Alright, you ready? Did you read them? Alright, we're done. They've been everywhere. We're gonna jump over the edge. Oh, see, okay, fun fact about me. I have what's called vertigo. You do not want vertigo. It fucking sucks. Those are shiny cans. I didn't go in here last time. I should have checked this out. This is pretty cool. I have a friend that definitely would love this place. I like how the axes are just, like, there. That's all it is. He promised to just smoke pot as mayor, not crack. Anyone's better than Rob Ford. No, FordNation.com. Is that the joke I kept hearing about like a mayor? I think it was in Washington or something. I know absolutely nothing about it. I have seen that toy. And of course, a copy and paste bathroom once again. Yeah, you're not missing anything, so you're fine. Don't overthink it. Let's go up and around this right here. Just because. It somehow got weirdly stuck. Alright. I think that shows I think I've shown everything in the mall. Vader sucks. The chef does everything but cook. That's what wives are for. Okay. VRChat. Starbucks. VRChat. Pretzels. And you got those up there, which is pretty cool. Open 24/7 days a week. We're literally open all the time. Remember, as always, I like to look around in every nook and cranny. It's not much over here. It's just an empty parking lot with a cop car. Even though I said there is no security over here, but you know. Well, anyways, I think I did a good enough job. I hope you enjoyed everything that I could show off here. I hope I did a good job of just entertaining for a little bit. I just wanted to show this off because I was typing in VRChat malls. Like, I was just typing in malls on VRChat, and I was like, let's just see what we got, have a little bit of silly fun with this, run around and stuff, and I hope I did a good enough job. But like always, if you like what you saw, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and come back anytime you like for any of my content that I create. And I'll try my best to fulfill anything that I can, or I'll just keep doing this. Go to mall, to mall, to mall, to mall, to mall. To mall, T-A-M-I-L, that's to mall. 2 malls, 2 different malls. Alright, anyways, enough silliness. Alright, hope you had a good time watching this video. Later.